Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the January-February Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life kit is geared for our pocket page scrapbookers, but of course you can use it for so much more. It comes out every other month and it coordinates with our Flavors of the Month kit. So if you do traditional 12x12 scrapbooking, it's a great add-on to it as well. And then you can combine those kits and create even more projects. So this time around we have a wide variety of themes and companies, so I'm really excited to share this with you. With each Shots of Life kit, you're going to receive pattern paper that has cut aparts on one side and almost always has a full pattern on the back so that you can use for traditional pages or in your pocket pages. You're also going to receive lots of embellishments. This kit is also perfect if you do like memory keeping in a planner or traveler's notebooks or just any type of smaller format of documenting, as well as your 12x12s. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that's in the January-February kit. We're going to first take a look at the pattern paper. Like I said earlier, these are cut aparts. Sometimes we do have 3x4 cards and traditional pocket cards, but this time it's all pattern paper, the 12x12. We have some outdoor paper, some reading at home, and just documenting all your favorite hobbies around reading. Hearth and Home, which is a whole home collection, but of course you can document anything. Vicki Bouton's Fernwood, which of course she's known for her mixed media, and you can absolutely use it for any type of documenting. We have a birthday collection, Kids at Heart, so a kids collection, a Valentine's collection, and then simple stories, which could be used as Valentine's or just documenting the people that you love. So let's take a closer look at these pattern papers. From Doodlebug, the Great Outdoors collection, we have Colors of Nature, which I love this paper here. We have the 4x4 cut aparts, which of course you could even fussy cut the images down smaller for embellishing or just adding to a pocket. We also have these over here that are like a 4x6. You could use those all together, cut them into smaller pieces, cut them apart. All of these are great for cards. Hello, thank you, life with you is an adventure. I love you, Schmore, thinking of you. And then we have these that are on the vertical on a 4x6 card. Again, cut those apart, make some cards. That's going to be a lot of fun. The back is that full pattern, which is all the different colors in the collection set on brown. Then we have Notting Hill Bookstore from Photoplay paper. This one has a combination of 3x4 cards and a couple of 4x6. Again, documenting all of the books that you love to read, shopping at the bookstore, maybe going to the library, or just documenting your story, and you can use this theme along with that, which is an awesome idea. The back is a paisley print in the turquoise. From Simple Stories, Hearth and Home, this is the 3x4 cut apart. So again, lots of options for your pocket page scrapbooking. The back is this house print that could be cut apart for borders with the hearts in between. From Vicki Bouton's Fernwood, we have the 4x6 cut aparts. This one is currently reading, listening, enjoy, planning, daydreaming, keep going, sunshine. These days, notes. I love her artwork. And the camera and the butterfly. The back is this gorgeous floral print in the black and white. Full branding strip of a blue polka dot that you could sneak in somewhere. From Echo Park, we have the Birthday Boy collection. These are the 3x4 cut aparts. Again, these are great to document your stories in your pocket page scrapbooking or your traveler's notebooks, your planners, whatever you're using to document. Also, they'd be great to use up to make some birthday cards to have to send to loved ones. Even though this is geared towards kids, there's lots that are generic like these that could be sent to anyone or document any age of birthdays. The back is a blue and white gingham. From Pebbles Kit at Heart, we have the 3x4 cut apart. This paper is called You Got This. This again would be great for greeting cards as well. You are my friend, you are the sweetest, celebrate, orange you happy, you got this. The back is this awesome ledger paper in pink and red, and then there's a diagonal stripe pink and red branding strip. From Simple Stories, Happy Hearts, this is the 4x6 element cut apart. Again, this is geared towards Valentine's Day, but you don't have to celebrate Valentine's Day to use it. You can just document your love. You make my heart soar. This one is definitely one that's more generic that you could use as a journaling card. Love notes. You are so cute. So cute. The journal with the flowers. The back is this gorgeous rose print in pink. Then from Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage Weathered Garden Collection. This is the 3x4 cut aparts. Again, beautiful colors. It could be used to document your love and Valentine's Day. I think even if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day, you could take the month of February just to document the people in your life that you love, what you love about them. Make a little project for them or make some cards to send. All of those are great ideas. You have all of my heart. Let's make today a good day. Beautiful. Thankful for every little thing. And the back is this gorgeous vintage print in the blue-green. So one more look at all of the pattern papers with the cut aparts. Then along with this, you're going to receive embellishments. Of course, we all need the embellishments. So for the Doodlebug Great Outdoors, you're going to get a sticker sheet. So these will vary among the kits, but this is the one that I received. It has sleeping bag, trees, cooking the hot dogs over the fire, fish, map, lots of outdoors icons. You're going to receive some enamel dots from Echo Park. This will go pretty much with all of the collections here, so you'll have plenty of enamel dots to play with. From the Simple Stories Hearth and Home, you're going to get a roll of washi. And this is the one that I received. I'm not sure. These will probably vary, but I got the yellow flowers with black, so yours may be different. I'm not sure. From Vicki Booten's Fernwood, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. And again, these will vary. It will just be one out of the book. But I got a banner, some flowers, a little envelope with flowers, happy little moments. So some really cute stuff. For the Echo Park Birthday Boy, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera. So this will vary, but this is what I received in a good representation. Lots of different birthday icons. You're the sprinkles to my cupcake. I love that. Okay, and then from Pebbles Kit at Heart, you're going to receive a roll of washi tape. This will vary among the kits. I got one that's purple, kind of a two-toned purple. And then the Simple Stories Happy Hearts, you're going to receive a fourth a pack of the foam stickers. So again, these will vary, but this is what I got. Some words and then little like speech labels and hearts. And from the Simple Vintage Weathered Garden Collection from Simple Stories, you're going to get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have lots of these little tabs with words, tickets, these that are like little paint swatches, the layered embellishments that they're so well known for, so that they do all the work for you with flowers and little subtitles. You have larger words that you can use for titles, some tags. Love the butterflies. So that is a look at the January-February Shots of Life kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available and the individual items available in the store. You can have those shipped right along with your kit. Don't forget to check out the flavors of the month since this coordinates as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.